Visiting the village always feels special, and cooking here is even more delightful. Today, in our rustic kitchen, we have fresh Katla fish straight from the pond. First, the fish pieces are cleaned well and coated with a pinch of salt and turmeric. In a hot pan over the clay stove, we fry them carefully until both sides are golden and aromatic. The sound of sizzling oil fills the air, mixing with the fresh breeze from the fields. Next, in the same pan, we add chopped onions, green chilies, and a blend of spices, stirring slowly to bring out their flavor. As the masala turns rich and fragrant, we add a little water and let it simmer gently. Now the fried fish goes back into the pan, soaking up all the spicy, savory flavors. We let it boona until the oil separates, giving it that deep, homely taste. The aroma is mouth-watering, and soon it's ready to serve with steaming rice under the open sky. Village life truly makes every meal unforgettable.